Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of clover. Stick around, we'll do it together. Yeah, it's bad, it's everywhere. Today we're trying the ORTHO Weed Be Gone, specifically for clover. Okay, so the mixing rate on this one is about, I believe is 1 ounce per gallon per 200 feet. You can do that on your dial sprayer with direct connect. I prefer to spray the lawn. So it's 1 ounce per gallon. So we got a 2-gallon jug. Got gloves on, long sleeves. So 1 gallon mark is down here. I'm gonna fill it halfway. Okay, so we're about halfway. I just checked the weather again. They said no rain, just clouds. 1 ounce. Got marks on the inside of the cup. Okay. Yep. Top it off to 1 gallon. This stuff takes 6 hours. It should be rain ready. About there. Oh, you guys know I love this stuff. Put some soap or surfactant. Do about a cap full per gallon. Can go a little more. Shake it. Lightly shake it. Agitate it. See clover all around that area there. But it looks good. I like this stuff. See it right there. Right here there's more. Up on the front. It's everywhere. Look how big they are. Huge. Alright. I guess we'll start over there and work back. It's everywhere here. Oh man. The soap kind of makes it shiny. Sticks to it better. Or surfactant. Whatever you guys prefer. So this should take care of ground ivy. And all the bad stuff that is out now. And it's everywhere. So don't go all crazy, you know, moving around your yard. Try to stay in an area and cover everything out and then move. Won't harm your lawn, guaranteed. That's what the bottle said. Got some more here. That kind of looks like it's changing. See it? It's definitely got a wider color to it now. That's cool. Those are kind of turning brown. That is kind of going by. Don't know what that is. If you could tell me, I would appreciate. This stuff was super green. Now it's kind of like pale. Alright guys, can you see it? Check it out. How many days we got here? About 2, 3. can definitely see it's lighter in color. So anyway, we'll go here. Alright, so you can see it better here. But clover, it does look a little hurt. See it? That's cool. But yeah, a lot of stuff. You can't curse on YouTube. But dang it, look at the size of this thing. That is humongous. Hopefully we can take care of it. It's only like here, and then a little bit on the front there. It really seems that this stuff, by far, you know, what, 2 days, and I can really see the difference. So I definitely go for that. If you're still here, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.